everyone. For positive integers m and the fact that this sequence equals m minus 3 divided by 2 to the power of n, we're going to find the value of m plus n. And the first thing let's note is our sum is going to equal m minus 3 divided by 2 to the power of n. And so we're looking for m and n. And this is our series here. So basically what we want to do is set it up where we get something like this. All right. So what I'm going to do is write this out as my sum equals, and just copy this down, 1 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 squared plus 3 divided by 2 cubed plus dot 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 plus 10 divided by 2 to the power of 10. Now, from here, what I'm going to do, I notice I have this right here, which is something divided by 1 divided by 2 to the power of n. So to simplify this and get something like this, I'm going to multiply my sum by 1/2 s and then subtract these two. And then I'll get this minus here. So basically, if you multiply your sum by 1/2, this is going to give you 1 divided by 2 squared plus 2 divided by 2 cubed plus 3 divided by 2 to the power of 4 plus dot 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 plus 10 divided by 2 to the power of 11. All right, now what we're going to do is call this equation 1, equation 2, and we're going to take equation 1 and subtract equation 2. All right, and there's a 1 here. So this is going to give you 1/2 s equals 1/2 plus 1 divided by 2 squared plus 1 divided by 2 cubed plus dot 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 plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 10 minus 10 divided by 2 to the power of 11. So now we have something like this, right? But we have a 3 here, so we're going to work on getting that 3. And we're going to take the sum of this part here. This is where, just this part here. And this is going to be, your first term is 1/2, and your common ratio is 1/2 as well. So when you do that, you're going to get this equals 1/2 times 1 minus, I'm using this formula here, 1 minus 1/2 to the power of 10, all divided by 1 minus 1/2. And then we still had this minus 10 divided by 2 to the power of 11. All right, well, this cancels out. So this gives you 1 minus, we just have this part left, 1 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 10 minus this part, 10 divided by 2 to the power of 11. Now I'm going to rewrite this 2 to the 11th power as 2 to the first power times 2 to the 10th power. So this is going to be 1 minus 1 to the power of 2 to the 10th minus, let's see, 2 to the power of 10th times, let me write this here. We have 10 divided by 2 to the power of 10 times 2. The reason I want these to the same again is I'm trying to make it look like this. All right, so 2 goes into 10 5 times. So now we have 1 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 10 minus 5 divided by 2 to the power of 10. And this equals 1, there's minus 6 of those. So it's 1 minus 6 divided by 2 to the power of 10. All right. So I can also, and I'll do this up here, I can write this as 1 minus 6 divided by 2 times 2 to the power of 9. And when I do that, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So now I have the 3 I need. All right. But again, this all is 1/2 s. Remember, that was 1/2 s. So basically we have 1/2 s equals 1 minus 3 divided by 2 to the power of 9. So to find your sum, we're going to multiply both sides through by 2. So that's going to give me s equals 2 minus 6 divided by, and I'm going to rewrite this as 2 to the power of 8 times 2. Again, this 2 will go into this 6 3 times. So my sum equals 2 minus 3 divided by 2 to the power of 8. And our sum was given here as m minus 3 divided by 2 to the power of n. Therefore, doing the matchy thing, m equals 2 and n equals 8. And we have to find the value of m plus n, so that's going to equal 2 plus 8 equals 10. And that is your value. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.